Shalom, and welcome to Learn Hebrew Now. Today, we're diving into a very common yet versatile word. From, or in Hebrew, me or me. This tiny word changes based on the context and gender, and today we'll explore how to use it with different examples. So, without further ado, let's begin. Let's begin with the basic form, the letter mem, which will sound as me or me, which translates to from. You'll hear it in everyday speech constantly. For example, if I want to say I received a gift from a friend, I would say קיבלתי מתנה מחבר. קיבלתי, I received, מתנה, a gift, מחבר, from a friend. To say, guests arrived to us from the United States, say, הגיעו אלינו אורחים מארצות הברית. הגיעו, arrived, אלינו, to us, אורחים, guests, מארצות הברית, from the United States. To say, the apple fell from the tree, say, התפוח נפל מהעץ. התפוח, the apple, נפל, fell, singular male, מהעץ, from the tree. Now, when we want to say from me, we use ממני. me, me, ni. If I want to say this gift is from me, I would say המתנה הזאת ממני. המתנה, the gift, הזאת, this, singular female, ממני, from me. To say, he learned that from me, say, הוא למד את זה ממני. הוא, he, למד, learned, singular male, את זה, this, ממני, from me. When we refer to someone else, the word changes depending on the gender. For example, to say from you, when referring to a singular male, you would say ממך. ממך. For example, to say, I learned about this from you, when speaking to a male, say, למדתי על זה ממך. למדתי, I learned, על, about, זה, this, ממך, from you. To say, I am waiting for an update from you as a male speaking to a male, say, אני מחכה לעדכון ממך. אני, I, מחכה, am waiting, singular male, לעדכון, for an update, ממך, from you. Next we have ממך, which is the way we say from you when referring to a singular female. ממך. For example, to say, I learned a lot from you, when speaking to a female, say, למדתי הרבה ממך. למדתי, I learned, הרבה, a lot, ממך, from you, singular female. To ask, can I ask for help from you? When speaking to a female, say, אפשר לבקש ממך עזרה? אפשר, is it possible? לבקש, to ask. ממך, from you, singular female. עזרה, help. The word used to say from him is ממנו. מנו. For example, to say we received important information from him, say קיבלנו ממנו מידע חשוב. קיבלנו, we received, ממנו, from him, מידע, information, חשוב, important, singular male. To say, this is a gift from him. Say, זו מתנה ממנו. זו, this, singular female, מתנה, a gift, from him, ממנו. The word used to say from her is ממנה. מנה. For example, to say, you can learn a lot from her, say, אפשר ללמוד ממנה הרבה. אפשר, it is possible. ללמוד, to learn. ממנה, from her. הרבה, a lot. To say, you have a message from her. When speaking to a male, say, יש לך הודעה ממנה. יש, there is, לך, to you, הודעה, a message, ממנה, from her. To say, from us, say, מאיתנו. מאיתנו. To say, he asked us for help, say, הוא ביקש מאיתנו עזרה. הוא, he, ביקש, asked, singular male, מאיתנו, from us, עזרה, help. To say, this gift is from us. say, המתנה הזאת מאיתנו. המתנה, the gift, הזאת, this, singular female, מאיתנו, from us. To say, from you, when referring to plural males or to a mixed group, say, מכם. מכם. To say, can I ask something from you, when referring to plural males, say, אפשר לבקש מכם משהו? אפשר, is it possible? לבקש, to ask. מכם, from you, plural males. משהו, something. To say, we are waiting to receive an answer from you, when speaking to plural males, say, אנחנו מחכים לקבל מכם תשובה. אנחנו, we, מחכים are waiting, plural males. לקבל, to receive. מכם, from you, plural males. תשובה, an answer. To say, from you, when referring to plural females, say מכן. מי כן. For example, to say, I haven't heard from you in a while, say מזמן לא שמעתי מכן. מזמן, in a while, לא, not, שמעתי, I heard, מכן, from you, plural females. To say, I got this from you, when referring to plural females, say קיבלתי את זה מכן. קיבלתי, I got, את זה, this, מכן, from you, plural females. To say, from them, when referring to males or to a mixed group, say מהם. מהם. For example, to say, you can learn a lot from them when speaking to a male, say, אתה יכול ללמוד מהם הרבה. אתה, you, singular male, יכול, can, singular male, ללמוד, to learn, מהם, from them, הרבה, a lot. To say, I got this gift from them, say, קיבלתי את המתנה הזאת מהם. קיבלתי, I got, את המתנה, the gift, הזאת, this, singular female, מהם, from them. To say, from them, when referring to females, say מהן. מהן. For example, to say, I received interesting news from them, when referring to females, say קיבלתי מהן חדשות מעניינות. קיבלתי, I received, מהן, from them, females, חדשות, news, מעניינות, interesting, plural females. To say, this arrived from them a week ago. Say, זה הגיע מהן לפני שבוע. זה, this, singular male, הגיע, arrived, singular male, מהן, from them, females, לפני, before, שבוע, a week. I hope this video has helped you understand the many ways to say from in Hebrew. If you want to learn more and to support the channel so I can continue creating content for you, join my Patreon page. You can find the link in the description below. And if you enjoyed this video, press like and subscribe so you will be the first to know when I release more videos.